A True Love But There's a Catch, ang makapangyarihang pagmamahal ng isang kabit. Part 1. Dear Ate Tin, please call me Dayan. I'm on my late 20s. Single and very health conscious. Most of my time after work spent at the gym. I always find myself exercising at dahil sa routine ko, I maintain my sexy body figure. One day, habang nag-e-exercise ako, may isang lalaking lumapit sa akin. He's on his early 40s. Matipuno, matangkad, maputi, at ma-recognize mo na educated dahil sa pananalita at kilos nito. He was asking me kung sira ba ang treadmill machine na malapit sa akin. I answered him naturally, and that ended our conversation. On the next day, I went to gym to do my daily routine. When I entered the room, I saw him. He smiled at me, so I smiled back without any malice. I continued my routine at the gym. Then I saw him walked closer towards me. He started the conversation. He introduced his name as John. Tinanong niya ako if matagal na ba daw akong nag-gym. We continued the conversation while doing exercise. At doon, nagsimula ang closeness namin, na kahit sa work ay message niya ako. Until one day, he confessed his feelings to me. I was shocked, but inside me, I'm on cloud 9. Sobrang saya ko pero I contain myself na hindi maibigay ang matamis kong oo. I want to know him more. I want to know him bago kami mag-start ng relasyon. Gusto ko pang long-lasting at forever. Gusto ko, siya na talaga ang ihaharap ko sa altar. He understood. Di niya ako pinilit bagkus ginalang niya ang desisyon ko at binigyan ng time to think. Simula noon, lagi niya na akong dinidate. He picked me up every day sa work at hinahatid niya ako sa kondo ko with his car. May pa-flowers and chocolate siya almost every day. Sobrang nag-effort siya sa panliligaw sa akin. He did this kind of routine for 6 months until I said yes to him. I remembered his face when I said yes. He was really happy. He kissed me on my forehead with all the respect, love, and sincerity. I'm the happiest. Sobrang saya lang ng relasyon namin. We shared life to each others. Lagi kaming may time na i-share ang nangyayari sa buong araw namin, mapa-work man or sa family namin. Anyways, Ate Tin, he's a lawyer at may 3 kapatid siya living in the province with his parents. Siya lang mag-isa sa city as he is a full-time lawyer working in a famous law firm dito sa city namin. For the past 2 years of our relationship, we traveled abroad. We've been to Japan, Hong Kong, Macau, at Taiwan. Mas naging komportable kami sa isa't isa. Mas nakilala namin ang isa't isa. I felt his love is getting deeper and deeper. He's more protective, sweet, and serious. Mas naging intimate ang relasyon namin. Until isang gabi, may nag-message sa akin. This is the exact message. Hi, I'm Krisha, the wife of the man you are flirting with. Napahaba na yata, Ate Tin, hanggang dito na lang. I will be sending the part 2 pag nagustuhan ng tagapakinig mo. Maraming salamat po and more power.